Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Mohamed talking again. We're talking about the position of ta. Ta could come in the beginning like this in the word tajun. In the middle, like the word sitarun. At the end, like the word sept. Just like that in the word subat. It has got a unique feature. It turns the masculine word into a feminine word. We've got salla and we've got kurah. Salla, kurah. I'm going to give you an example. Habib. This is a masculine word, which means beloved. We want to turn it into a feminine word. We're going to say habibah. Here is a trick about it. In the Quran, we say habibah. Once you find this ta marbuta in the Quran and you want to stop, you're going to say just like at the end. In the real life, we don't say it like that. We say it just habiba, jadida, qadima, and so on. So that's the trick about it. See you in the next episode.